Karnataka government kickstarted a major initiative to implement internal reservation for scheduled caste, with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announcing a statewide data collection survey starting on May 5th. The move follows the Supreme Court's approval on August 1st, 2024 and fulfills a key promise made in the state election manifesto. To support the process, a mobile app has been launched, operational daily from 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., and a 24/7 helpline is available at 848135 9000 for assistance. The Chief Minister has called on all scheduled caste communities and their leaders to take part actively in the initiative. The survey will take place in 3 phases. First, from May 5th to May 17th, over 65,000 teachers will go door to door to collect data. Those who are missed will have another chance through special camps from May 19th to May 21st. And an online self-declaration portal will also be open from May 19th to May 22nd for voluntary submissions. The survey is expected to take 60 days in total, after which the data will be analyzed for further policy decisions. This initiative follows the recommendations of a one-member commission led by retired High Court Justice Nagmohan Das, which studied the internal reservation needs among the 101 SC communities listed under Article 341 of the Constitution. The decision is also guided by the earlier findings of the Sadashiva Commission, which used 2011 census data to estimate scheduled caste population distribution. The announcement was made during a press briefing at Vidhana Saudha, attended by several key ministers and officials including H.C. Mahadevappa, K.H. Muniappa, Shivanand Patil, Chief Secretary Shalini Rajneesh and other legislators.